Welcome to our deep dive into the complex world of generative AI. Today we're peeling back the layers to reveal the hard truths about this transformative technology. While it's reshaping creativity and innovation, there are aspects that often go unspoken. We're not talking about the ethical dilemmas, potential misuse, or impact on labor markets. We're exploring the less discussed yet critical facets of generative AI. Join us as we confront 5 hard truths, understanding both the significant challenges that lie ahead in this AI-driven era. But before we begin, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we strive to bring the latest and greatest from the world of AI. Let's begin. Number 1. Lack of adoption. First and foremost, undoubtedly there exists a discernible gap between the hype surrounding generative AI and its tangible integration and profitability. Yes, the potential of AI integration means surpassing many barriers, but the issues with quick adoption make things almost next to impossible. A 2023 McKinsey survey revealed that 46% of executives struggle to pinpoint clear business cases for Gen AI. This survey from McKinsey actually answers a lot of questions. What questions? Well, questions like why companies are trying to inject AI in everything, why there are startups working on ridiculous ideas, and why AI evangelists believe AI is the solution to everything ranging from immortality and addressing climate changes. Here we need to establish a point that AI is nothing more than a new enabling technology. Think about telephones. When they first came, everyone went bonkers on how they can communicate with each other without having to sit face to face. The hype is real, but after the first bunch of experiments and experiences, AI is also losing user trust. A Salesforce study highlighted that 57% of respondents worry about bias in AI-generated content with concerns about bias, lack of control, and potential misuse of generated content. Now, anyone may ask why lack of trust is a huge challenge. This is because limited user trust poses a significant hurdle in the form of a limited user base. And long story short, limited user base hampers the pace of progression. To understand this, you can compare the growth of an open source solution to a proprietary solution. The latter surely needs more time and effort because it is only being nurtured by a limited number of brains. After lack of trust, the second major issue with AI adoption is its monetization. Making functional AI products requires a lot of capital, but while selling startups and even the most seasoned players like OpenAI find that making the right pricing model is tricky, with subscription models potentially undervaluing the technology and pay-per-use proving costly for high-volume usage. Limited market awareness exacerbates the issue, as many potential users remain unaware of the capabilities and benefits of Gen AI. This hinders both adoption and revenue generation. The growing competition and commoditization within the Gen AI space further intensify pricing pressure and the difficulty in establishing a competitive advantage. To make our argument strong, let's look into some facts and figures. The global Gen AI market is projected to reach $72.8 billion by 2026. But current adoption rates indicate that overcoming monetizing and adoption challenges is imperative to reach this potential. A Gartner survey highlights the problems in AI adoption, as only 12% of companies have deployed Gen AI in production. AI adoption is not only hampered by monetary aspects, people have also developed their set of beliefs that render them hesitant in pursuing AI. Number 2. Scared of it? The beliefs include many what-if questions like, what if it falls into the wrong hands? What if AI tries to control humanity? And what if AI development eats up their profession? A 2023 Pew Research Center survey found that 52% of Americans are more concerned than excited about the increased use of AI in daily life. This represents a significant increase from 37% in 2021, indicating growing anxieties. A 2022 report from Accenture suggests that 38% of workers globally express fear of losing their jobs to AI. This highlights their economic concerns surrounding AI adoption. An older but prevalent 2020 report states that 70% of the public agrees that AI raises ethical concerns, such as fairness, transparency, and accountability. This reveals broader societal anxieties about the implications of AI. Developing Gen AI is now also about changing a belief system that is deeply rooted primarily due to lack of awareness and unpleasant first experiences with AI chatbots. To alleviate concern and foster trust in AI, implementing a few key strategies is crucial. These strategies include increased transparency and explainability, having both consumers and developers in the loop, raising awareness and bringing focus on the potential benefits, and most importantly, perpetual acknowledgement and mitigation of public concerns. Number 3. RAG is hard. The concerns with AI don't end here. It hallucinates, and it hallucinates in different forms across different mediums. In text generation, an AI might make up information when faced with insufficient data, generate nonsensical text due to overfitting, provide factual errors confidently, or unintentionally reflect biases present in its training data. In image generation, an AI might misidentify objects, create visually overwhelming images, generate unrealistic textures or compositions, or produce dreamlike imagery that deviates significantly from reality. In speech recognition, misinterpretation of spoken words due to background noise or accents, speech distortion altering sentence comprehension, and even the occurrence of phantom conversations where the AI hears voices that aren't present can occur. The solution to AI hallucination somewhat lies in RAG. It is called Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG gives the AI system three major superpowers. It connects AI systems to up-to-date data sources, it makes transparency better, and it makes a combination of retrieval mechanisms and advanced language model generation which ensures the credibility and accuracy of responses. RAG sounds like a one-for-all solution, and it kind of is, but it is very difficult and expensive to implement. There are substantial infrastructure costs involved in building and maintaining a retrieval component alongside the language model, including storage for the knowledge base, indexing algorithms, and efficient search mechanisms. Precise query formulation is crucial to extract relevant information, requiring expertise in information retrieval. While non-RAG models may outperform in creative writing, incorporating relevant information from RAG can enhance creativity in certain contexts. But integrating the retrieved information seamlessly with the LLM's internal knowledge representation is a complex task. Examples in Meta AI and NVIDIA demonstrate the model's improvements in factual accuracy for question-answering tasks and informative product descriptions, respectively. Number 4. Lack of infrastructure. Yes, RAG is expensive, but that comes secondary. The primary requirement is to build a basic infrastructure, which itself is a very painstaking task. To establish a robust AI infrastructure, a comprehensive data management strategy is required. The process encompasses several key aspects, starting with data acquisition and collection. Companies need to gather vast and diverse datasets from sources such as sensors, IoT devices, customer interactions, and more, considering factors like volume, velocity, and variety. The subsequent stage involves data storage and processing, necessitating scalable infrastructure capable of handling growing data volumes and ensuring secure and fast access. Security and privacy measures are critical for compliance and safeguarding sensitive information. Not only that, data quality and governance play a pivotal role, involving tasks like cleaning, pre-processing, standardization, labeling, and metadata management ensure high-quality model training and predictions. Despite the increasing importance of such practices, many companies, especially in the US, face challenges in adapting the data-intensive nature of AI. When comparing US and Chinese companies, the former boast strong technology leadership, an established data science talent pool, and emphasis on data privacy regulations. However, they may face limitations in data availability in certain sectors due to privacy concerns and potential regulatory hurdles. 58% of American companies reported struggling with data quality issues in their AI projects, according to Harvard Business Review. Chinese companies, on the other hand, benefit from access to vast user data within their market, government support for AI development, and rapid adoption of new technologies. China is estimated to invest $150 billion in AI by 2030, aiming to become a global leader in the field, says South China Morning Post in a report published last year. In the end, it is crucial for us to elaborate the human role in the GenAI development process. Number 5. The GenAI development process. Building robust AI systems is a hierarchical process. Effective leadership is crucial for providing vision, setting strategic direction, enhancing collaboration, and securing resources within a team. Without leadership, teams may lack focus, grapple with conflicting priorities, and miss crucial opportunities. The roles of key team members in developing an AI product are indispensable. Product managers define the product vision, user needs, and market fit, ensuring products solve real problems. Software engineers build the necessary code and infrastructure, transforming theoretical AI models into functional products. Data scientists develop and refine AI models, ensuring accuracy and generalizability. Data engineers manage and prepare data for training models, maintaining data quality and accessibility. Other roles such as UI/UX designers, DevOps, security engineers, and domain experts contribute vital expertise. Neglecting any of these roles can lead to project drift, products that don't meet user needs, unusable AI models, flawed accuracy, and data chaos. This is a growing industry as the Bureau of Labor Statistics forecasts a 23% growth in employment for computer and information research scientists from 2022 to 2032, surpassing the average for all occupations. Approximately 3,400 openings for these scientists are expected annually over the decade. The demand for software developers in the United States is predicted to increase by 26% in the next decade, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. The global software engineering market, valued at $47 billion in 2021, is anticipated to reach $90 billion by 2027. The big data and data engineering services market is poised for substantial growth, with a projected increase from $44 billion in 2022 to $120 billion in 2030. Not only that, the engineering software market is expected to grow at a rate of 10.3% during the period of 2023 to 2030. The increasing workforce demands better workforce management tactics and companies with sustainable, tangible aspiration. GenAI will become perhaps the biggest market in the world in the decades to follow. But for that, all the problems we discussed today need to be addressed. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis because we try to make AI stuff easy for you to understand. If you still feel that you don't understand the basics of AI very well, click on the video link popping up and we'll catch you there in a second.